name is Noelle. I am currently dancing with Tahiti Mana, and I have been dancing since I was 3 years old. I love the Tahitian culture because it makes me feel at peace, and I'm able to express myself in that way. They're just such welcoming people, and I love how it makes me feel internally, physically, emotionally. Learning their culture through dance, their history, it's so empowering, especially as a woman nowadays. It's hard to express ourselves, so I love to express myself and see who I really am and what I'm feeling through my costume, my dancing, my facial expressions, and just the mana that flows through everybody, especially dancers when we get together in competitions or festivals. It's just great to see people from all over the world come together and just show love for one thriving small kingdom in the middle of the Pacific.
Hi, my name is Orimai. I'm from Tahiti. I've been living in Hawaii for 7 years now. Living in Hawaii, you want to feel closer to home, so you really get involved with whatever Tahitian community is here.
Even if I tried to stop dancing, my heart is always just leads me back to it. I find myself listening to the music, watching YouTube videos, always going back to all the festivals. No matter where I'm at, I can never see myself stop dancing. I don't think it's something that I have the ability to do.